Hello everyone, it's Leandra here from Tynker. This week our team has chosen a special selection of community highlights, starting with Baking and Creating by Strawberriz. In baking and creating, the goal is to create your very own cupcakes. Once you decorate them, you can even take a picture of your finished cupcakes. Our next project is Getting Over It by Scientific Pencil. In their code, we see when touching blocks and forever loops. Try to get Cody over the mountains using a tool. This next project is Moodys Mayhem 2 by Distorted Cashier. In their code, we see when I receive blocks and switch to costume blocks. Jump over the obstacles using the jump button. Our final project is Storyboard Project 1, A Toy's Purpose. In their code, we see repeat blocks and when I receive blocks. Help this toy find their owner by trying to escape the various rooms. Thank you for watching and sign into Tynker.com to create your very own free projects.